Schooling is all about life. It's about expressing yourself in a myriad different ways. It's about creating, inventing, taking risks. It's about breaking rules once in a while, having fun. Because after all, when you think the invisible, you do the impossible.
Our chairman, Shri Ved Prakash Chiripal, had a dream to build world-class education facility in the city of Ahmedabad. Shanti Asiatic School is just a stepping stone in the same direction.
We don't teach, we make learning happen. We can teach them for a day or maybe a month, but if we teach them how to learn, if we build up the curiosity in them, then they will learn forever and ever.
Hi, I'm Aradhita. I'm in class 6 in Shanti Asiatic School. We have great fun in the van.
हमने सभी बसों में व्हीकल ट्रैकिंग सिस्टम इंस्टॉल किया है। उसकी जरिए से हम बसों का लाइव टेलीकास्ट देख सकते हैं और उसके साथ हमारे स्कूल में सीसीटीवी कैमरे का भी बंदोबस्त है। उसके जरिए हम यहाँ बैठे बैठे भी पूरी स्कूल का मॉनिटरिंग कर सकते हैं।
After alighting from the bus, I have to go to the assembly. It's Thursday today. We'll reflect on a wise thought and hear the news.
Building confidence through open communication and guided interactive sessions on stage within the classroom is one of our key initiatives towards building personality of our children.
In my school, I have the freedom of thoughts and expression here, which helps to bring out the creativity hidden within me.
Child-centric environment makes Shanti Asiatic School a unique experience. Shanti Asiatic School believes in celebrating knowledge. He has to get that joy of discovery.
The entire philosophy of education at Shanti Asiatic School is to make the entire education process very, very simple, joyful, practical, stress-free and modern.
This is our class. I have my personal locker also. And we have cool ACs in our class also.
Our aim is to see that every child in the school is happy, feels secure and is comfortable in the school.
This is the computer room. We learn various topics out here.
Building child's inquisitiveness, curiosity and providing constant encouragement. This inquiry-based learning and motivation help children to innovate and cherish for life.
Library is another interesting zone. Small children have their separate library. We have lovely books and encyclopedias. We visit the whole world through these lovely books.
The challenge is to build the quest quotient, not the IQ.
Now it's break time. Let's go to the basketball ground. Here some kids are trying to put the ball into the basket. A large gathering of kids have gathered into the kids' playground. They are pushing, jousting and having a lot of fun. In my school, there are so many activities to do that I don't know when my time passes.
Keeping in mind the overall development of the child, where we'll be doing periodic checkups, we'll be conducting various camps on monthly basis, and we are going to give them a unique health card.
I'm feeling hungry. Let's go to the canteen. It's one of my favorites, as you can easily guess why. We get mouth-watering dishes out here.
We'll form a committee of people who will be taking a close observation on the canteens, the quality of food, the playground hygiene, the hygiene in the toilets, to prevent any infective disorders hitting the school personnel.
We are therefore giving training to all our staff to maintain a child-friendly, proactive environment for all our students and parents.
Our aim is to give ample opportunities to our children to express, perform and showcase their talents through a wide range of co-curricular initiatives.
On Saturdays, we have various activities in which we have a lot of fun, like music and dance, art, basketball, skating, table tennis and karate.
We prepare the children not only for their academic skills, we prepare them for the life skills also, so that tomorrow when they face the future, they face it confidently.
Art room is also one of my favorites,
where children can develop themselves in painting, clay modeling, puppetry.
Music room is also one of the great hits in my class. We get divided into two sections. One learns keyboard and the other learns drums. We also learn complicated dance steps out here. Let's go to the audiovisual room to see an interesting and a funny movie. And if you want to see a presentation, you can go to the auditorium.
This will give them confidence and enhance their self-esteem.
हमारी संस्था का उद्देश्य यही है कि हम अपने विद्यालय के सदस्यों में आत्मविश्वास जगाएं। किसी भी सदस्य के मन में गलती करने का डर ना रहे, क्योंकि हर इंसान गलती करके ही सीखता है।
All in all, I cherish learning every step at Shanti Asiatic School and look forward to come to school every day.
We aspire every child at Shanti Asiatic School to be a creative, independent and responsible individual.
Rangoli, beautiful colors, hues, symmetry, vibrancy, energy, aesthetics and completeness. Isn't that the essence of education?
श्रीपाल ग्रुप की तरफ से आप सबका स्वागत करता हूं।
On this magical journey of providing a wonderful future for our children.